Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Alan here for DQ Details. Now in this video I'll do a maintenance wash for this BMW M3, and after that I will apply a ceramic wax from Pyramid Car Care. I started with the wheels. I give it a nice rinse, then I apply some all-purpose cleaner from Maguire's, then some iron fallout. That one's dwelling for a couple of minutes. I use the wheel shampoo as well. Then I use a little soft brush to clean the alloy, because these alloys been actually have a coating. I've done a coating for 2 years protection, I think, from G-Technique. And then I'll just go with the normal mitt, because I don't want to scratch these alloys. Then with a normal tire brush on the side, I've got a very small tire brush. It's very good for these very low profile tires. The iron fallout that I'm using here, it's actually from Pro Clean, and it comes in 5 litres. I think it's about £24, but don't worry guys, I'm going to put a link in the description below. It does the job and it's cheap. It's highly concentrated and you can dilute that, so it will last you a long time. Now I'm starting to give a good rinse of the vehicle. Obviously, you're going to see in a few seconds in the video how much protection this vehicle has, as I'm very happy always to apply ceramic coating on cars. Just have a quick look, guys. Here I'm just spraying some all-purpose cleaner, diluted 1 to 7, with warm water. It's just loosening out the dirt off the side skirts, the front bumpers and the back, where usually most of the dirt is. Then I'm going to apply the snow foam to dwell that in to make it easier and safer for washing the car. While that snow foam is dwelling and starting to soften up the dirt, I'm starting with a little detail brush to clean all the areas that I can't reach with a normal mitt. You can see here I'm cleaning the rooftop, that's convertible, and here I'm using a similar brush they're using when you're cleaning the leather, so it's very soft, doesn't do much damage. About 10 months ago, I've applied 2 coats of Drexler ceramic coating. It's a French company. The customer was more interested about the paintwork to get it back to shine, and I got out a paint correction and polish onto the paintwork. Actually, there is a video about this, and I posted about 9 months ago on my YouTube channel. After I rinse off the snow foam, I'm doing a manual wash. Now I'm using warm water with Ultra Glim shampoo with 2-bucket method. Now this is the second maintenance wash. The first one was done in June, so this is November now, and it just makes it so easier to wash the car when you can see the paintwork's got so much protection. We're nearly done with the washing. Now I'm applying a sealant, actually a spray and seal from Sonax. Yes, you can apply this onto wheels as well, but obviously you can see the wheels are coated and in mint condition, so it's worth spraying a sealant on them. Now I'm starting to dry off the car. I'm using here a blower with hot air. It's easier and safer to dry off the car. Now, after I dry off the car, the temperature was lovely outside. It's not too humid, it's not too hot, there's no wind blowing. It's easy to apply this ceramic wax from Pyramid Car Care, and you just apply it, and after about 5 to 10 minutes you just buff it off. It's so easy, and it smells very nice as well. This wax on its own lasts you about on protection for about 6 months. So this ceramic wax from Pyramid Car Care, I'm using this as a topper to the already ceramic coating on this vehicle for that extra protection and glossiness as well. Right guys, just before you're going to see the end result of that BMW, please take a second to check the Weekend Warriors Reviews website. If you're not sure what sort of product you want to buy, there's plenty of reviews on this website. So please take a second to check it out. I'm going to put a link in the description below. Thanks very much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to support the channel by subscribing it. Thanks very much guys for everything. Now all the products and all the tools that I use, you can put a link in the description below. And don't forget guys, check out the Weekend Warriors review website. There's loads of good reviews about loads of products. So if you're not sure what sort of product to buy, definitely Weekend Warriors Reviews website will help you.